So, babe, we going to Olive Garden this weekend?
We'll see. So, I hear you guys are single, right? Why don't you guys go ask Danny out?
No way.
No.
Well, I heard.
No, he isn't.
Bet she is.
I bet he isn't.
Sheila, you should go ask him out.
No, it's all you.
No. Watch this. Hey, Danny. Hey, good looking.
It's great to see you again, Danny.
Nice to.
So, Danny, I really like your hair. Did you do something new?
Thanks, yeah, I'm calling in.
Ooh, Danny, I like
working
this
for you.
shirt. Is it new?
Yeah, I got you just.
Danny, are these new glasses? I think they look.
No,
they just
no,
make your
they're
eyes
kind of like my old
What are you
one,
doing
but-
tonight, Danny?
Tonight, I mean, I
would you like
got
to
some
go on a
homework.
date?
Oh, wait.
What about this weekend?
Tonight, Danny, tonight. Danny, where are you going?
Come down here.
Come on, do you want to be with us?
Come on.
See, guys, I told you he was a homo.